Hi, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be talking about why I feel like somehow I've been left behind in this world, in the sense that I missed out a lot, I guess. Having a family, raising a kid, and after so many years, you realize that you have basically been not from your own perspective, but looking inside out, it seems like we have, or I have, um, basically not kept up with development in different sectors of life, such as technology, um, new ways of thinking, different concept, new concepts. So it would seem to me that at this point in time of my life, I have to readapt myself to new environments, um, how to think differently, and it would seem that I've been left behind. Behind in the sense that I have to relearn how to be part of a society, a new society, I guess. And it's a struggle, I guess, but I'm willing to readapt. I have to, let's say, for instance, in the sector of technology, I want to create a YouTube channel, and since I started late dealing with computers in my life, there's a lot of things I need to learn. I find that exciting to learn, new technology skills when it comes to computers, especially how to use, editing softwares, and so I'm excited about that. But when I come to think about it, these things should have been learned sooner, I guess. But it's just the way life rolls. Um, but in any case, it's a feeling of I'm not gonna blame anybody else. I mean, you're responsible for your own life, uh, and responsible for your achievements or failures. But it's just that feeling that being left behind, it wasn't a choice of your own. It just basically, after a certain period of time in your life, you realize that it is the case where you have to do catch up, and it's time loss that you'll never gain back. But on the other hand, what you need to do is, or what I need to do is not not to focus so much on the past, but rather um, embrace the future and be more assertive, more learning more, educating myself, and you know make sure that that feeling that I have about being left behind is a way for me not only catch up with time, but also to improve myself, improve my skills, and not shy away from the obstacles and the difficulties that I'm going to be facing as far as learning all this new, I'm not going to say ideology, but this new concept about life. And so it's exciting. It's exciting. It's challenging. And but anyway, I'm looking forward to that. And if anybody, and I'm sure a lot of people are in my generation anyway, if they came to the realization, this particular realization, that they have a lot of catching up to do, then I wanted to let them know that they're not alone, and it's doable. We can do it, and we can challenge times, basically. Um, so thank you for listening to my ranting this morning. Until next time.